In this very short video, we are going to address a very simple viva question, important for its clinical correlate also. What is role of salivary amylase? Let me clarify the question. Salivary amylase being an endoglycosidase breaking the internal glycosidic bonds of starch. So it begins the starch digestion, but the food stays in mouth only for a very brief period of time. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes, that's all. After that, the food will reach the stomach, where the pH fall will be sharp. And at this sharp pH, what will happen? The enzyme activity will also fall in a precipitous fall in the enzyme activity. And the enzyme protein will be denatured also. So we conclude that salivary amylase is exposed to food only for a very brief period of time. After that, its activity stops. Bulk of the carbohydrate digestion will be carried out in the duodenum by the pancreatic amylase, where the food will be exposed to it for a substantial period of time. So I return to the question, what was the need of salivary amylase at all? Students answer to begin the digestion. But what was the need to begin the digestion if it were to be stopped in the stomach within a few minutes only? What was the need for that? The answer is it does not actually, you may conclude very rightly, it does not contribute to starch digestion to any significant extent. No, it does not. Digestion will be carried out by the pancreatic amylase. So then what is the role of the alpha amylase of the salivary gland? Some food particles may remain lodged between the teeth after a meal. So the bacteria in the mouth, they will gradually act on these and produce acid. Lactic acid is the major product. Supposing, just imagine a situation, after a heavy meal, the person goes for afternoon nap or even for the night sleep. So the bacteria will get sufficient time to digest, to break down these lodged starchy bits of food, generating acids which will cause dental caries, dental cavities. So how does salivary amylase help? Salivary amylase will digest, degrade these lodged, embedded starchy particles and thus prevent this hazardous consequence. So we can say that salivary amylase acts as a natural mouthwash. It keeps the mouth clean, does not contribute to starch digestion to any significant extent, but plays its role of keeping the mouth clean. Now, the question, the clinical correlate, your patient undergoing radiotherapy, during which his salivary glands are destroyed. Why would he develop dental cavities? Cavities in the teeth. So answer this in your own way. Thank you so much.